What's up, everybody? I hope everybody doing good. You already know what time it is. Today I'll be breaking down GBPUSD. Molwela, aka Breeze the Hero. Let's get it. So, looking at the pound, right? We know that Donald Trump is now president in America, and obviously all those tariffs and all that. So we already know that if the dollar is going up, then the pound is weak, right? So looking at the market now, right? Y'all can see that last week I had a clean buy, and I'm still expecting price to continue buying, right? So if I just show y'all this before I break down the market, right? If y'all pay close attention here, right? When it comes to currency pairs, they may respect your zones there and there, but I may prefer indices because trust me, indices always respect your zones, right? And again, we trade the markets for what they are. We don't create our own scenarios in our head. So looking at this, right? If I would go back, you would see that we created some kind of resistance up there, right? We created some kind of resistance, and the moment and y'all can see that the moment price broke, we had a retest before dropping to the downside. And what do I mean by that? What so by that what I mean is in every impulse, we're gonna have a correction. So let me demonstrate to y'all. What I mean is in every impulse move to the downside or to the upside, we're always gonna have a correction and continue that trend, right? That's what I mean by saying trade the markets for what they are. You should follow the market. You shouldn't be try and be the leader in the market. You should follow the market. The market should lead you. In other words, the market should come to you, showing you proper setups that align with your strategy and your plan, right? So now we're currently looking at GBPUSD, and y'all can see my previous buy there, and I was really expecting that price would continue pushing to the upside, right? But I ended up getting out, as y'all can see. But again, it's not always about that, right? So where's my arrow? As y'all can see that the moment price dropped to the downside and hit the support right there, right? Price started pushing to the upside. As y'all can see, we started creating higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we had all that consolidation, and then we created that higher low, and now we're creating that higher high, whereby I expect price to reach this resistance up here and probably retest to the downside back to the previous support down there, right? So again, it's not me just doing fundamentals, but again, I also did my fundamentals. It's not me, oh, I'm sorry for that. It's not me just doing my technicals, but again, I also did my fundamentals, right? You have to follow fundamentals because it's really important to know what's happening to the economy. Is it growing? What's happening? All about inflation, recessions. You gotta know what happens in the economy because you won't just trade thinking that your technical analysis is all right. Yes, it's fine, but also fundamentals are part of the game. And if you want to grow, trust me, work on fundamentals and you will see. You will trust me. So moving forward, as you all can see that I did say that I'm waiting for price to break. Hence, I placed my mark there saying waiting for the retest pullback. So in other words, right now I'm gonna wait for London session to be active in my South African time, which is around 10 o'clock. So we might as well take the long position right there because as we see that price is currently retesting, right? So we might be targeting this resistance up there and a tight stop loss, and as y'all can see our risk to reward. That way if take profits get hit, right, i made I made a lot of profits to a point where even if I take a loss, I can sustain 3 losses in a row. That's what we mean by saying risk management. You got to make sure that you cut your losses and you increase your profits, because trust me, you don't want to be stuck in losses. That's just gonna devote that's just gonna demotivate you. So focus on applying a good strategy. Focus on approaching the market with proper risk management. Don't just create your own scenarios in your head. Yes, trading is real. Yes, trading can make you rich. Yes, trading can change your life, but only if you respect the market and you approach it like a business, right? So moving forward, as y'all can see, I'm really expecting price to respect this support that we currently have right here. I'm seeing price retesting and pushing to the upside. But in this case, hence y'all can see that I also created that kind of trend line, because hence y'all can see that price has been consolidating around it and it has been respecting that trend, right? Hence y'all can see we touched the second time, we had a third touch, and this morning we had a fourth touch. Now I'm looking for that retest and probably break that trend and probably come back down to the downside. So no, it's nothing crazy, but it's just me doing what I do every day, every single day, right? Consistency is key, guys. Stop trying new things every single day. Stick to one thing, grab it, and never look back. Trust me, once you have the skill, nobody can take it away from you, right? So as y'all can see how I trade, it's just simple, nothing complicated. I just hope y'all learned something, and if y'all don't understand me, please talk to me in the comment sections. Tell me what you want to see, tell me what you want to know. That's how it is. Hope y'all guys have a good day. Hope y'all guys improve, evolve. You know how it is. Let's get the money. We ain't making friends, we're making money. Breezy signing out.